In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a PowerPoint presentation from your laptop to WhatsApp. First, make sure your PowerPoint file is saved and that you know exactly where it is on your laptop. It could be on your desktop, in your Downloads folder, or inside a specific project folder. Taking a moment to confirm the file location will make the process much smoother and save you from hunting around for it later. Next, open any web browser on your laptop, such as Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, and go to the WhatsApp web website. On your phone, open WhatsApp, tap the menu or settings icon, and choose the option for linked devices or WhatsApp web. Then, use your phone to scan the QR code that appears on your laptop screen. Once the code is scanned, your WhatsApp chats will load on the laptop. This links your phone and computer so you can send files directly from your laptop using your existing WhatsApp account. After WhatsApp web has loaded, choose the contact or group you want to send the PowerPoint file to. Click on that chat to open the conversation window. At the bottom of the chat, near the typing area, you'll see a small paperclip icon, which is the attachment button. Click on that. A few attachment options will appear, such as documents, photos, and videos. Because a PowerPoint is a file, click on the document option. This will open a File Explorer window on your laptop, allowing you to browse your folders. Navigate to the place where you saved your PowerPoint, then click on the file to select it. Make sure you are choosing the correct PowerPoint, especially if you have multiple versions with similar names. Once you've selected the file, click the Open button. WhatsApp Web will show a preview screen with the file name and size. Here you can also type an optional message, for example a short note explaining what the presentation is about, or any instructions for the recipient. When you are ready, click the Send button. Depending on the size of the PowerPoint file and the speed of your internet connection, it may take a few seconds to upload and send. Wait until you see the check marks next to the file in the chat to confirm it has been delivered. And that's it. You've successfully sent a PowerPoint presentation from your laptop to WhatsApp using WhatsApp Web.